Hello, I'm Bert Barman from OES Equipment. We supply equipment and supplies to construction companies. What I'd like to introduce to you here is a new product that we have, which is a dust containment wall system, which is a reusable system. Historically, what we've done is built a stick wall, and when we're done with it, we throw it into the trash. In this particular case, we're able to reuse this system. 100% of the components outside of the tape is reusable. It consists of 3 components. We have a single panel here, which is 7 feet with a 3-foot slider on it, so we can reach up to 10 feet. We have what we call a vent panel. A vent panel is the same as the regular panel, except for it is used as a vent at the bottom, so therefore we can maintain negative air inside of the construction zone. The negative air, then the positive air is discharged out of here, creating negative air inside the construction zone. This is a monitor, a meter used to monitor the pressure in the construction zone. This is a hose that goes in between the 2 panels that measures the negative air. We have a positive air reading here out into the hallway, and between the 2 of them, they're registered here on this meter. This meter then frequently from job to job has to be checked on an hourly or quarterly or 4-hour basis, and in this pouch right here is where that documentation would be kept. The third component we have is a door. This is a 36-inch door. It is a self-closing door as it's installed, and it comes with locks and without locks. So therefore some people want to have full access to it. Some people want to have only construction team has access to it. It is suspended from the ceiling by a simple track, and on the bottom there is a floor angle that is sealed to the floor, and all these components then are taped to it. Once the components are put together, we have 3-inch tape that runs down all of the joints and along the floor and along the ceiling, which will make us a airtight wall. The installation process is a 2-man crew, 2 minutes per linear foot on the average. What you're about to see is the installation of a 15-foot wall. The ICRA panels are brought in on a cart. The first thing you need to do is install the blue tape on the ceiling and install the ceiling track. This will establish the wall location. After the ceiling track is installed, we'll go down and install the angle on the floor, which will give us our level wall. Once we have identified that, then we'll run the rest of the blue tape around the perimeter of the ICRA wall so that we'll protect the facilities against any adhesive from the white tape. While we're installing the panels, it's beneficial to run the 3-inch tape in between the joints as we're putting them up to secure the panels, and it'll aid in the speed of the installation. There will be a time where you'll need to custom cut one of the panels. We have a frameless panel that has no metal on the edges. We can cut that down to whatever size we need so it'll fit into the opening as required. Once you've finished the installation of the panels, the final step is to take 3-inch tape and cover all of the joints, thus making an airtight wall. The panels come in 2 different forms. You can rent them on an individual basis, and they can be delivered on the carts as you saw in the video, or they come in these self-contained units. These self-contained units are 8x10 connexes, completely filled with all the components that you need to complete a job. You've got your metal track up on top, your panels and your door systems, and it comes with a cart. There's anywhere from 100 to 150 panels we can put in a containment unit. You can rent it for any period of time that you want. When you're done with it, give us a call and we'll come pick it up. If you have any further questions, please contact your local OES office.